Okay, well, day one of the foundation restoration. We have several gentlemen here. They are starting with the center support. This is going to be the main support to be able to secure everything and to keep it from falling. And see if I can get a peek at what's underneath here while we have the yeah, I could use one of them. I'd certainly have one of those before I went inside there, that's for sure. Not so bad here, but you want to understand as we get way back there, it gets pretty narrow.
Oh yeah, we do everything. We go in the narrow, the deep end, the shallow end.